Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new here. Today we're doing a product review of a VR accessory for your MetaQuest 2 headset. We're going to be looking at this hard shell case by Lykus. You can find this case on Amazon.com for $49.99 or on Amazon.ca for $69.99, or you can find it directly on their website. I'll link all three below so you can check those out and see which one maybe has a promotion at the time for if you would like to purchase it. In this video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing from the shipping box so you can see what it looks like right out of the box. Also, I will open it up. We'll go through what there is on the inside. I'll go through what fits in there, if it fits with an Elite strap, and so on from there. And then I'll tell you my thoughts in the end and give you my review. So let's jump into this one. Alright, here we have the box that it came in the mail. You can see Lykus, secure your buddy with Lykus. Kind of a nice little tagline. Here, we'll take it out of the box. Wow. There you go. There's your first look here. Let's open this up. Just press and pull. Alright, so here we have the Lykus Titan Hard Case for the MetaQuest 2. The only instructions it gives is that it might need to air out a little bit because it's been sealed. But other than that, that's it. So here I have my headset beside me here. I want to go through and kind of try just a couple of things. It looks like there is going to be space for an Elite strap. I've got an Elite strap with a battery pack by Basqueda. I've done a review on that if you want to check that out. And so I'm going to keep it on here and see how it fits with that. Then as you can see in the middle, there's a spot for the controllers. They kind of fit one inside the other and slide in there. Once we close this up, then you can see that nothing's jiggling around. It fits nice and tight. There's a little knob on the front here, and it looks like it says it's for the air pressure. Keep it tightened to ensure waterproofness. So then if that's tight, then it'll keep it waterproof. I'm just going to open this back up here. The top, you can see some very nice padding in there. And I'm going to pull these back out, these controllers back out here. So this is a case, as you can see, that will fit with an Elite strap with a battery pack on the back, which is awesome because not all cases will do that, and a lot of us I know like to use Elite straps with battery packs there. So this is one that will fit that for you. Now if you use different controller grips, I've got one right here. If I was to try to put this in, you can already tell that it wouldn't fit with the extra space below. And so for this case, the controllers need to be just the controllers. I've got like a rechargeable battery pack in there, which is fine because it's not actually changing the size of the controller. But if you were wanting to change the size of the controller, that's fitting in there just about as snug as you can get it. And so these just make it too big otherwise. Alright, there's your unboxing. Now let's talk about it a little bit more. So looking at this case compared to other cases, I love that this one is a solid hard shell. The outside is that durable waterproof material. This thing seals. It is airtight, so even if it were to get water near it or be in water, it would not get water into it at all. The top padding on the top of the case, nice and soft. It's going to keep it nice and firm. Inside, everything's cut to precision, right? This foam, special type of foam, is there to make sure that it is in there tight, and then it's going to absorb shock as well. I like that this one can fit an Elite strap on it as well as just the regular strap as well, obviously. There's room for the glasses spacer if you need it. The controllers fit in nice and snug. Space for the charging cable and charging cord in there as well. Basically just the essentials. If you had any accessories, you won't be able to fit them in this one. So not every Elite strap is going to fit in this case, and it says that in the description as well. And if yours doesn't fit, you can send it back for free. They will give you a refund. I think some people might not like the size. It is quite big, but that size is what is allowing it to protect it so well. So take that as you will. I know some cases are sleeker than this one, but I do think this one is very, very good. For the price point, actually, compared to the other prices that I've seen, I think this is very reasonable. This is something I would recommend. This is one that I'm using and I'm going to continue using because I know that it's going to protect my headset. So if you would like to purchase it, again, on Amazon, it's $49.99. Amazon.com, Amazon.ca, it's $69.99. I will link both of those below. If you haven't checked out my other VR accessory videos, please do so. I've got a whole bunch of them. I'll link that playlist below as well. You can find something that you would like for your headset. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you give it a like. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss the next one. And we'll see you next time. I'm Brian Sloan, artist.